right, guys, we're going to work on our second uh, Google Doc, and it is just like the first one, so that we can get practice. Hopefully, you won't have to use this video as much as you can read the directions that I'm going to post in here. But in case you need the video, here it is. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to Indian River School District, go to ClassLink. From ClassLink, we're going to click on Google Apps. Okay, we're going to click on New, and we're going to click on Google Doc. And we are going to name our doc Career. Now, I named mine Demo Career. You guys can name yours Career. Okay, from here, we're going to click on File. Move this. File. We're going to click on Page Setup. We're going to change our margins. So 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, and if we wanted to change it to landscape, we could do that here, but we're not going to. We're just going to keep it at with portrait. Okay, if we wanted to change our page color, we could do this here. If you would like, please don't make it a dark color because I won't be able to see it. Okay, but if you want to, you can change your page color. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to okay, we're going to insert a header. Okay, so we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to click on Headers and Footers, and we're going to click on Header. We're going to type in our first and last name. We're going to type in our class, and we're going to type in today's date. Okay, then we're going to go to Options. Okay, we don't want our footer, we don't want our page number in our footer, so we're going to click on Insert again. Okay, we're going to go to Headers and Footers, or we can go to Page Numbers, and we want our page number at the bottom. So you can do this a couple different ways. You can click on Page Number here, or you could click on Footer, and then over here in Options, click on Page Number. Okay, and hit Apply. So again, there's a couple different ways of doing it. You can click on Insert, you can click on Page Numbers, and then put the one that has the page number at the bottom, or you can go to Footers, click on Footers, and then go over to Options, and then put in a page number that way. Whichever, this one seems a little bit easier. Page numbers and then here. Okay, so that's our page number. And now we have to make sure you click out of your header and footer. To do that, just click someplace. If there's still a line down here that says footer, you are still in your header and footer. Please click out of that. Okay, so next we are going to go to Insert. Oh, sorry, we're going to go to Format. Okay, and we are going to go to, sorry, we're going to go to Insert, Drawing, and we're going to go to New. And from here, we're going to click on Actions, and we are going to click on Word Art. So this is very different than in Microsoft Word. But those who haven't done Microsoft Word, it's just learning a new thing. So you're going to go to Insert, Drawing, New. You're going to go to Actions and Word Art. It is much more lengthy. So you're going to type in Word Processing, Worksheet, number 2. Okay, and you're going to click on it. Okay, and it's going to pop up here. Okay, and then we're going to click Save and Close, and it's going to pop up on our sheet. Then we're going to hit Enter twice. Okay, from here, we're going to center, and we're going to make our font, I don't know what, we'll make it size 18, and we're going to type the word career. We're going to hit Enter twice. We want to change this to a different font. Okay, you can change it to whatever font you would like. Okay, so I'm going to change it to this one, and I'm going to make it, then you're going to change the color. So I want it to be purple. Okay, then I'm going to make it bold. I want it to be bold. So I changed the color, I changed the size, and I changed the font type. I'm going to hit enter twice. I'm going to take off bold. I'm going to align left. I'm going to italicize, okay, because this one we want to italicize it. We want to change it to say so 14. You want to change it to a different font, okay? And I'm going to type, what do I want to be when I grow up, okay? And we're going to hit enter twice there. We're going to take off the italicized, okay? And now we're going to go to Google and we're going to get a picture of whatever you want to be when you grow up, okay? And click on, you do whatever you want to be. I've always wanted to be a travel agent or an airline stewardess or so I'm going to click on this picture. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to go back to my document. I'm going to click Control V and I'm going to make it smaller. Now, to make my picture so that I can move it around, I'm going to go to Image Options. I'm going to go to Text Wrapping, and I'm going to go to Wrap Text. That allows me to move my picture from left to right again. So I clicked on my picture. I went to Image Options, and I went to Wrap Text. Now I want a second picture that I'm going to put over here on the right. Okay, and I'm going to pick this one with the, I'm going to pick this one. Okay, right click, copy image, go over here, Control V. I'm going to squish it. Again, I want to squish it. Okay. Let's undo that because I'm not exactly sure what happened with that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go to the corner and we're going to squish. Much better. We're going to put it over here. We're going to go to Image Options again, Image Options, and you want to click on All Image Options. I just clicked on the three little dots, All Image Options, and we want Wrap Text, and we're going to put it up over here. So you want one picture on the left, one picture on the right. Okay. Now, unfortunately, Word Google does not have as really cool borders as Word does. So basically the only thing we can do is dashes. Okay. Oh, we don't want that dash around. I just made the mistake. We want to be off of our picture when we do this. So we want to click over here or just hit down to go underneath of it. And we want to uncenter it. We want to align left. We want a page border. Okay. So we're going to go to Insert. Oh, that's right. It doesn't let me put a page border on at all. It lets me put a picture border on, but not a page border. Okay, so we're going to skip the page border. Okay, so we're going to go to bullets, and we're going to take three facts that we know about our career. So you are going to use your career. I am using my career. Okay. Okay, so these are my three facts. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter 3 times because I don't want to have bullets anymore. This time I want to have numbers, so I'm going to click on my bulleting icon. So I click on my 3 dots, and this time I want to click on numbers, and I want to ask 3 questions. Okay. Okay. And okay, so those are my 3 questions. Then I'm going to hit enter twice, 3 times. It doesn't matter if I end up on a second page or not. Okay, now I'm going to write a 5-sentence paragraph about why I want to be a travel agent. Now, I'm not going to okay, now I'm not going to write all 5 sentences. I'm going to write a couple sentences so I can get down to the next line. Okay, so you're going to have 5 sentences. I only have 2 because I don't want to, I know it's a long video, but important thing, don't forget to indent your paragraph. If you forget to indent your paragraph, and then you need 3 more sentences. Okay, I'm only going to do 2 because I want to make sure we get done. Okay, so then I'm going to type the word career, and I'm going to go out to Google, and I'm going to type thesaurus. Now, you use a thesaurus when you are looking for a word to use instead. You've used the same word over and over and over, and you want a different word for it. So I have the word career. Okay, so I can, wow, those really don't seem like very good things for career, but like I would have thought job would have come up, but it didn't. Did I spell it wrong? C-A-R-E, nope. Okay. Let's try a different website. Okay, just type in thesaurus and find a thesaurus. Okay. Okay. Okay, so livelihood. So I'm going to switch it to this. I don't want to copy the link address. I actually just want to copy the word. So I'm going to hit Control C. And I'm going to go over to my Google Doc. I'm going to select my word and hit Control V. So I'm going to change it to something else. Okay, so to get rid of the bullets, if you don't want a bullet there, if you just, it clicked on, it's brought in a bullet because I copied and pasted it. Okay, so that is how you make your worksheet number 2. Okay, then you're going to submit it into Schoology. Please make sure you submit it into Schoology so that way I can grade it. And have a great day.